We got the neighbor's dog out. Came out to play. Basically, they like to have a peeing contest. Too wet for you, huh, Badger? Too wet? Here comes Elvis. Come on, Badge. It's a little contest to see who can go the most. Badger, come on. Come on, guys. Good boy. Let's go in. Let's go in. Come on. Come on, everyone. It's all wet. Let's go. Boy, did we need that rain.